An international team of scientists from the LIGO, Virgo and KAGRA collaborations, including researchers from the ARC Centre of Excellence for Gravitational Wave Discovery, have detected two remarkable black hole collisions that are offering new insights into both the evolution of the cosmos and the nature of dark matter. The pair of gravitational wave events, named GW 241011 and GW 241110, were detected in late 2024, just 1 month apart during the O4b observing run of the Global Detector Network. Each signal was produced by the violent merger of two black holes, forming an even more massive remnant and sending ripples through space-time, each travelling for hundreds of millions to billions of years before reaching Earth. Both events involved unequal mass, rapidly spinning black holes, an unusual combination that provides a window into how black holes form and evolve and how they can be used to test new physics. Using these signals, researchers from Ausgrav and the Australian National University investigated whether the black hole's spins could reveal hints of previously undiscovered particles. The data also shed light on how black holes grow and evolve. Both mergers involved one black hole roughly twice as massive as the other, and both showed signs that their spins were tilted compared to the direction of their orbits. This misalignment hints that the systems may not have formed from two stars evolving together, but instead through repeated mergers inside dense star clusters, a process known as hierarchical merging. Together, GW 241011 and GW 241110 showcase the remarkable progress of gravitational wave astronomy in revealing the hidden lives of merging black holes. Each detection brings us closer to understanding how these cosmic giants form and evolve, while offering a powerful way to test the fundamental laws that govern the universe itself. Daily science and space stories with an Aussie flair, plus a deep dive into the science or space headline of the week, and the occasional science fiction podcast, something coming up on New Year's Eve. Like, follow and subscribe for more. Membership available to help us do more. That's at thetrek.zone/support. In the meantime and in between times, this is Trek Zone's Talking Science.